Ethiopia Volcano is a warning. Africa is splitting up tone. Serious, informative, calm style. Educational explainer. Audience, general public, students. Intro, 00 to 130. What if I told you that Africa is slowly breaking into two parts? This is not science fiction. This is not a conspiracy theory. This is real science. And one of the biggest warning signs is coming from volcanoes in Ethiopia. In today's video, we will understand why volcanoes are erupting in Ethiopia, how Africa is slowly splitting apart, and whether this process is dangerous for humans or not. What is happening in Ethiopia? 130 to 330. Ethiopia lies in one of the most geologically active regions on Earth. In recent years, scientists have observed increased volcanic activity, earthquakes, and ground cracks in this region. Magma from deep inside the Earth is moving closer to the surface, causing eruptions and seismic events. But this is not just a normal volcanic eruption. For scientists, this activity is a signal of a much larger geological change. How the Earth really works. Tectonic plates. 330 to 6. The Earth's surface is not one solid piece. It is divided into large slabs called tectonic plates, which are constantly moving, very slowly. Under Africa, there are three major tectonic plates: the Nubian plate, the Somali plate, the Arabian plate. When tectonic plates move away from each other, the crust stretches, cracks form, and volcanoes and earthquakes become common. The East African Rift System, 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Ethiopia, Kenya, Tanzania, and surrounding regions lie on a massive geological feature called the East African Rift System. Here, the Earth's crust is literally pulling apart. In some places, the ground has cracked so badly that roads and buildings have collapsed. This is the same process that happened millions of years ago when the Red Sea was formed. How Africa will split, 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. The Somali plate is slowly moving away from the rest of Africa. This movement is extremely slow, only a few millimeters per year. But over millions of years, this slow movement can create massive changes. Eventually, Eastern Africa may separate from the rest of the continent. Water will fill the gap, and a new ocean could be formed. This means the world map in the future could look completely different. Is this dangerous for humans? 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. The most important question is, should humans be worried? The short answer is no. This continental splitting is an extremely slow process that takes millions of years. No one alive today will see Africa physically split into two continents. However, at a local level, earthquakes and volcanic eruptions can still affect people living in the region. Media, fear, and clickbait, 1400 to 1530. Many media headlines say, Africa is breaking apart. While the science is real, the timeline is often exaggerated. Such headlines create fear, even though this is a natural and very slow geological process. That is why it is important to understand the science, not just the headlines. Conclusion, 1530 to 1730. The volcanoes in Ethiopia are not just disasters. They are part of the Earth's long-term evolution. Our planet is alive and constantly changing. The continents we see today will not look the same in the distant future. And millions of years from now, future humans may live on a planet with completely new oceans and continents. If you enjoy science-based explanation videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.